Introducing Safegard, the lifetime protection system for your new vehicle. We strongly recommend Safegard paint finish and upholstery protection to all our customers. This protection and service is exclusively available at authorised dealerships only. The Safegard protection system provides a lifetime guarantee for your vehicle's paint finish and a lifetime guarantee for the fabric upholstery. The paint finish on your vehicle contains microscopic imperfections, not visible to the naked eye, and is exposed to some of the harshest pollutants each and every day. Traditional waxing or polishing can make a car shine and may well cover up these imperfections, but only typically lasts between 2 to 10 days, depending upon the elements. We all know the damage harmful UV rays can do to your skin, but did you know they can also damage paint finish with prolonged exposure? Bird lime is acidic and corrosive. It can damage paint finish by leaving a stain, or in bad cases, burn straight through, causing permanent damage. Most of us have parked a car under a tree and found out how hard tree sap is to remove. It sticks to vehicle paintwork like glue, and like insect remains, can permanently damage paint. Salt is used in adverse weather conditions to help dissolve ice or snow, but how much damage does it also do to the paint finish? These are just a few of the everyday pollutants which attack your vehicle's paintwork. But the good news is, there is a solution. Safegard will permanently protect your vehicle with its lifetime guarantee, and is fully transferable on its subsequent sale. Why settle for anything less? Safegard treats and seals the vehicle's paintwork permanently. Its complex formula uses technology and chemistry utilised in many industries, from space travel to the non-stick properties associated with cookware. The Safegard sealant actively bonds to the surface of the paintwork, cross-linking to provide multiple layers of durable protection. Microscopic imperfections within the paint finish are removed, which enhances the appearance of your vehicle and helps maintain that showroom look with every wash. Safegard's lifetime protection ensures that your vehicle will be far easier to clean. The microscopic film actively repels water and provides a protective barrier against dirt and pollutants. There will be no need to polish your vehicle for 3 years, and no monthly conservers or vehicle inspections are required to maintain the guarantee. The Safegard protection process is also applied to the interior fabric upholstery, creating an invisible protective waterproof barrier and guaranteeing protection for fabric interiors against everyday spillages such as Ribena, Coke, tea or coffee. Accidental spillages can simply be dabbed up with tissue without leaving a stain. Interior upholstery is protected, easier to keep clean, and will remain stain-free. The Safegard lifetime guarantee means in the unlikely event of a stain, it will be put right. Will you use your vehicle to carry children, pets, shopping, or anything else which could potentially cause a stain on the upholstery? Unexpected costs to remove unwanted stains are prevented and guaranteed. In the unlikely event of any paint finish or upholstery claim, Safegard undertake to appoint a representative to inspect the vehicle at an authorised dealer, if possible, resolve the issue there and then, if not, arrange to book the vehicle in for remedial work, and after the issue has been resolved, arrange to re-protect the affected area as necessary. There are no limits to the amount of claims which can be made, and there are no excesses or hidden additional costs, guaranteeing peace of mind for you and your vehicle. With guarantees that include lifetime paint finish protection, no polishing for 3 years, lifetime upholstery protection, stain-free with unlimited claims, a premium handover pack worth over £100 by itself, and an enhanced future part exchange with 2 fully transferable guarantees, Safegard really have got it covered.